1, 2, 1, 2. This one's so fresh, even I don't know what it says. All right. Let's try one more thing here. If anybody wants to write a question into the Slack channel, I'm going to freestyle it into the rap. All right, here we go. We're gonna go old school with this one. Yeah. Okay. We got any old school hip hop heads here? 90s hip hop heads? I'm still rapping at 40. I ain't giving up. Check it. When I started kicking raps as a kid in the class, all I wanted was to get up on the linear glass. The delivery track was Yo MTV Raps, HMV and Virgin Records on the edge of collapse. That's a legacy path. Now it's digital stacks. Every click has been tracked by algorithmical hacks. And when I'm kicking a rap, it's like a fireside chat generating insufficient freaking questions on Slack. So you guys should really type one in, really. I'll work it in. For Pete's sake, so much technology, I need space. I'm keeping it real. Most rappers are deep fakes. You want my organic voice? Then come on, come and get it. Justin Hendrix would probably mimic it in 20 seconds. Just because an adversarial network is a good painter doesn't mean I really want to make friends with Lil Michaela. Modify my image with all the paraphernalia like David Beckham lip-syncing Hindi and killing malaria. The past is not going to come back. They get it at Comcast. Christopher Whiteley is making digital contact. An algorithm can write, but when it's Romeo and Juliet, a generative algorithm winning a Tony would ruin it. Right? Or maybe we could go see theater nightly. Harper Lee also writes plays, but I hear they're kind of pricey. Christopher's surname also just might be the adjective that best describes how I rap. Whiteley. And yet, I'm serving rhymes, that's my purpose in life. Like Harini, Kannan, encapsulating data science. Like Noemi, Derzsy when AT&T is facing compliance. Like Bauer serving articles at New York Times. I got a true story. A review of my live show was the #2 most emailed link on the homepage in 2010. And even though I've kicking rhymes that are brand new ever since, I haven't made the front page since then. That's truth. Yeah, that's how I'm living, data-driven with the style and rhythm. And if I don't trend, then I'm blaming the frickin' algorithm. I'm trying to crack it open. Anna Coenen, help me grab the moment. Give me that multi-handed bandit, and I'll have it smoking. I think I got it though. She made the algorithm forgetful. I think I got it though. She made the algorithm forgetful. So anyone who learned to rap in the 90s is less dope. I think not. Ed Scott knows that he's not less hot just because Opera was operating way before the desktop. I want heads to nod and DJs with beat breaks, not deep fakes, except for that cupcake that Buzzfeed makes. That reference was designed to segregate us in time. Come on, cupcake, what you got? Give me some advice. Don't target only women like Sophia T. Speak to me. I'm the one that needs a mentor. I've got no PhD. No data coding steez, and I'm facing old age, and the future is almost here where only ladies get paid. Shout out Lauren Lombardo twice gracing the stage. You want imposter syndrome? I can help with some info. Try performing a hip-hop show with my skin tone. On a stage when people are judging me, thinking like I'm naked, Sophia drops a hip-hop phrase, baby, fake it till you make it. Come on, cupcake, I need some advice here today. Otherwise, you better lawyer up like Scott Sereday. Find a way to pivot or get carried away. Is it as hard as it seems to be an artist today? Yes, it is. Freaking hell, it's as hard as it seems, but only as long as content creators are smarter than machines. Sergey, Fogelson, you have faith, but not me. Pretty soon, we won't be as smart as machines. Am I too old for the cupcake target demographic to buy? Me and Anna Nicanorova, I'm sure we'll be fine. You got that, Gilad, Lotan? Your whole class can go track my personal data like it's Mossad. And I'm trying to set up a protest camp in the Golan. The genie's out of the bottle and it's not gonna go back. I'm not defiant. I'm just glad that your company's GDPR compliant. Why would a company keep data? Come on, if not to mine it. Disruptive companies topple giants. I'm all for science, but AI in the wrong hands can lead to lots of violence. So let's set a trap to find out whether tech is really the best thing. How low will a company go to avoid going extinct? Will it make a deep fake of Obama addressing the West Wing? Don't toy with my emotions, that is so disturbingly refreshing. How much information do they need to sell us things? If a platform guesses that Amy Yu is expecting before she knows, then delete that shit without questioning. I'm just trying to take it back. When I'm kicking the raps, I was a kid in a class. All I wanted was to get up on this linear glass. That delivery crack, it was yo MTV Raps, HMV and Virgin Records on the edge of collapse. Yeah, that's a legacy path. Now it's digital stacks. Every click has been tracked by algorithmical hacks. And when I'm kicking a rap, it's like a fireside chat generating insufficient questions up on Slack. Give me a break. Not one single question from this whole room? You guys aren't questioning me on Slack? I guess you don't get to hear freestyle. Come on, is it loading? All right. Freestyles are what I'm blazing now. You better start typing your phones or I'm freaking waiting you out. That's right. This is the way that I spit it with my lyrics. They said I had 10, but I have only been rapping for 5 minutes. This is really deep. This is really deep. How are you gonna type stuff into Slack when you're all constantly filming me? Come on, put a couple keys, put your fingers on them. I will flip it real quick and turn it into a frickin' sonnet. I'm Shakespearean, you ain't serious. People listen, they think I'm delirious, but still I got a million punchlines. Frickin' hilarious. I'm just waiting for something to show up in this little stream. I will constantly freestyle tonight, even in your dreams. Whatever it takes, come on people, give me some info. I am showing you the 40-year-old obsessed with hip-hop syndrome. It is infinite, I'm kicking it lyricist when I'm twisted and maybe my phone is broken or some shit is insignificant. Is it not working? I'm gonna use yours instead. Yeah, I'm a person that's kicking a lot of different freestyles off the head. Check it out. This is right now the definition of hip-hop. Confession to make, I have actually never watched SpongeBob. Oh my god, check it out. I'm rapping, I'm frickin' 40. If it comes down to it, I'm more of a fan of Rick and Morty. But every different cartoon has got its own style. I better go down. Check it out right now. What kind of level I am on? I don't know, but I'm dropping a giant bomb. People listen to me rapping. It's the opposite of a silent song. And that is my freestyle. That's the level that I am on. So I'll use the last rhyme in the Slack channel, Viacom.